Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jamie with Lady May-ruh-key Designs, and today I have a very exciting video planned. First and foremost, we're going to be making some body scrub with Himalayan Salt. We're going to have the regular Himalayan body scrub, and we're also going to have the bubbly body scrub. You will see all of that with the putting them in the container, making the labels, all that good stuff. But also at the second part of the video, I'm going to be boxing up the biggest order I've ever had in the entire time of me having Lady May-ruh-key Designs. So I'm really excited to share that with you guys. You'll see me box it up, ship it off, everything. So if you decide you like my channel and you want to keep up with me and my business and my family, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Alright, so just one quick announcement before we go. I do have more reusable bags coming, so if you didn't get one and you want one, make sure to go to the description below, click on the link. You'll see the listing for the reusable tote bag, and they're pretty good size. I have all the measurements. Maybe I'll put it right here, but anyway, I won't ramble. Thank you for watching, and let's go. Alright, this week's video is now coming to an end. I hope you enjoyed it. I would love to know what content y'all'd rather. Either videos like this, where it's just watching me work and listening to chill beats, or you'd rather me chit chat through the entire process. Just let me know down below. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments. I will definitely get back to you. And if you like content like this, make sure to hit the subscribe button, and I will see you guys next Sunday. Bye.